Hello, my name is Vian Genius Mittal. I live in Dubai and my class is grade 1C.
Wow, so this is a beautiful welcome. This is a small message from 6-year-old. Vian, how old are you?
6 years old.
And what do you do?
And I just keep playing.
With Hot Wheels. So Hot Wheels
Yeah.
is your favorite, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is Vian. He's from Dubai and he just completed the DNA Matrix New Age. And Vian is a brilliant child at the age of 6. बहुत कम बच्चों को बहुत सारी चीज़ें नहीं समझती. And he has learned so many things, evolved at the age of 6. And he started understanding his qualities. So now you understand how good you are. Do you understand
Yeah.
credit debit?
Yeah.
So what's credit debit?
Once you do a bad thing, you get a debit point. If you do a correct thing, you get a credit point.
Okay.
And then there'll be one thing you will mix the numbers, and once you'll make, you'll get a big number. And that's credit debit.
Wow. So we teach them how and what karma is. And we teach them how we in day-to-day life do a credit and debit note. So he's talking about how he does good things, that is adding to his credit, and how he is doing wrong things, which is creating a debit. तो जो वो कर रहा है उसमें से प्लस माइनस करके he knows what he has done good in the entire day. So one of the most beautiful and powerful things at the age of 6, जब हमको ये समझ आ जाती है कि मैं ये गलत कर रहा हूँ, मैं ये सही नहीं कर रहा. So this is one of the most beautiful things. And what are you doing, Vian? Are you meditating? Are you showing them that you also know how to meditate? No, it was
Yeah.
so cool you did that. Can you do it again?
Okay.
It was so beautiful. Okay. So do you meditate, Vian?
Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing.
I meditate in Dubai and India.
Wow. So you meditate at the age of 6. How do you feel when you meditate?
Good.
Good. So can you see the power of a child who can understand what meditation does to us? And he himself goes into that space. When we were trying to just get into this, he was like a little, what do I have to say? But all of a sudden he's just speaking. Even his mother was thinking, he's not prepared for anything. I said, I don't want any preparation. Can you see the natural flow of the child, the natural talent जो उस बच्चे के अंदर है? It's always been in the children. The only thing is, in the growing age, we crush the natural process. But this is what the natural process is when they understand. He's just relaxed. And what else have you learned in the new age? I like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Minus. You also do minus and you also do add.
Okay.
Subtraction, addition.
To your karma.
Yeah.
Wow, that's very powerful. And what else did you learn in DNA New Age when you were in Dubai, you were doing these sessions? What else did you learn other than karma, credit, debit? Did you learn manifestation? I heard you learned something.
Yeah.
Something
And
called
I-
manifestation also.
And I also manifest
You manifest?
that I have Hot Wheels.
And did you get those Hot Wheels?
I just got the street and the Hot Wheels.
Wow, so he knows the power of manifestation at the age of 6. That's the power which we all have, the power of manifestation. But the challenge is that the children, even we as adults, generally crush the power of manifestation. पर छोटी सी उम्र में अगर हमको अपने अंदर की छोटी छोटी शक्तियों का आभास हो जाए, पता चल जाए, समझ आ जाए, तो हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें बेटर कर लेते हैं. So,
But
thank you. Thank you for your beautiful sharing about manifestation, about karma, about how do you behave, how do you learn. You've learned so many things, right, in the DNA? And how to behave with your parents,
yeah,
how to behave with your friends,
Yeah.
how to behave with your teachers. This is all you
Yeah.
know now?
yeah. And once I go to my friend, I call him Dude.
Wow, so he knows he is evolving. So thank you for watching this video, and thank you, Vian Genius Mittal. Thank you so much.